Yo, welcome back, guys. We're gonna be getting some Subi clips. Hey guys, we're back. Let's go. Oh. Is that a... I really need to stop doing these stupid ass intros. What it do, fam? Welcome back to another video. If you guys are new here, my name is Chris. We're building my Mark 7 GTI here on the channel. We go fast, have a good time. Ding dong, you know the deal. Damn, I look good, bro. The lighting got me looking fresh. Yo, we're almost at 3K subs, bro. That's crazy. My first video was a year and 9 months ago. We're almost at 3,000 subscribers. That's so sick. Ah, that's good shit. Ah. All right, in today's video, I've got, let's hop right into it. I got some goods. Racing line parts that are going to replace something that has been the epitome of something that you can't see that's in the back of your head that drives you insane. I have that on this car for those who don't know, and for those who do know, let's just get right into it. Well, we're putting in a racing line catch can today. I'll throw this out there right now. My boy New England Pete, if you guys haven't seen his channel or videos, go check him out. He has a very clean Golf R. He said people are actually having problems around here running the catch can where it's having, like, obviously you get water, oil, fuel in the line and everything in the can itself, and people are having problems with it freezing, which is interesting because we live in a cold ass New Hampshire, Vermont. It gets pretty rugged up here. If you don't know, you don't know. But yeah, so I think what I'm gonna do for now, I really need to get this on because it's pretty bad. And for those who don't know, you'll see when we get there, but there's a plate holding down my like PVC right now because I stripped one of the bolts, and this doesn't need that bolt. It utilizes everything else. Shout out to Pete, you're the man. Thank you for saying something. We'll get into it. If it freezes, we have problems, we'll buy a new stock PVC system, whatever it is with this. The videos must flow. And if we blow it up, it, bro, we'll buy a new motor and we'll build it. EQT Typhoon? Who would say no to that? All right, let's get rolling. We're gonna go to my dad's, meet up with my brother, and let's have a banger. Also, in the last video that everybody was trying to help me, I'm running one-step Coulter plugs with a gap of 0.024. Let's just square that away. I'm not running two-step Coulter plugs. I'm an idiot. That's more so what it is. Oh, so good, turbo noise. So goddamn spicy. Oh, and for all my city peeps watching this, check this shit out. I hope you can see it. The camera's probably ruining the colors, but it's fall time, baby. Oh my god, is that cool? Ashley on the vlog? Hey man, hey, how's it going, brother? Hey. Sell me a car. Thanks, brother.
Get the hell out of here. What's going on?
We gotta put a catch can in. And finally get rid of the little stupid metal plate thing.
Really?
Yeah, dude.
Right now?
Right now.
Right now.
Well, it's gotta cool off for a second. Then we will. Yo. Let's go check out Cole's whip.
No. I don't care about the whip.
Oh, okay, what are we looking at? Yo, Cole's whip? He got the grill back on, he got the whole bumper back on. The whip? Wait, can I just show you guys the interior real quick? Because I feel like I don't remember if we did like a real video, but can we just appreciate this? Not cracked. Not cracked. Bro, it's so sick. We'll get you a little short shifter so it's not so long. That's what we're getting rid of. So a while ago, this bolt, I think it's like a T25 or T30 that holds the PVC hose down. I broke it off in the head just enough that I couldn't get it out, and then we shimmied this thing just to hold it down with, yeah, it's a mess, but it got us home and it saved us. So
for like 9 months.
And we got a catch can. It's gonna mount right there. It's a big bitch.
It's like Frenchie's wife.
All right, let's go. All right, in here, got a new seal. Okay. Hose. PVC replacement. For those who don't know, you're gonna have to customize a wrench if you want to get the bolts underneath your coil pack grounded. Yeah. Like so? Yes, now it fits. And you're in there. Dude, I'm gonna have to let this cool off, it's so hot. Grounds are off. Coil packs are coming. No. Oh, also, for those who don't know, if you've never done this before, the coil pack trick is push the pin, push down on the pack till it clicks, and pull out on the plug. It's too easy. It's not easy enough. Everything is extremely hot, so I'm burning my hands. Hope you guys are enjoying the video quality here. It's so hot! Anyway, the whole thing right here, the whole harness will flop forward and then that'll free this up. Hot engine. You could just take an Expo. That's sick. Kind of sick. Damn, dude, chill out. On top of the PVC are T30s.
Whatever you say, Chris.
Breaking by hand. Also, sorry, this is gonna be a dark one. That kind of sucks. But we're working with what we got. 40 degrees, it's cold, it is what it is. Your boy don't have a garage, so it's just how we do it. This is how we do it in Vermont, bro. All right, so we got PVC loose. She's ready to come out. I'm just gonna unhook this hose. Yo! Pull it off. Shit! Yo, look at my cams. Damn, dog. The seal's actually in pretty decent shape, so I think right there, that little flat spot's probably where it was leaking a little bit too. We're gonna open up our OEM seal. I feel like it comes over and the whole engine's like dropped. We're like, yeah, we're just changing the spark plugs. Now, what you wanna do is I think we leave this loose so that you can tighten that as you put the hose on. Yo, why'd you say that? Hey guys, we're back. It's really cold out. It's me, Cole here. We're putting in a catch can here on the GTI. Bro, look, the plate's gone. Let's go. Got everything plugged up so we don't get any shit in there. Doctor hands, let's go.
Yeah, this solid over there, like screws in that.
I don't have a torque wrench with me, so I'm not gonna go crazy, but it's 35 Newton meters. There's the torque spec on this engine bolt, or the mount bolt. You're just stupid, bro.
Just get one off Amazon.
It's too easy.
That's what I did.
Damn, dog. Yo, no more plate. Yo, you know what Subi Cole said? Subi Cole said we should take a bunch of the stuff, like the clutch and anything like this, and put it on a shelf, like a YouTube, like a channel wall, yeah, like all the bullshit that like went good or bad. This is totally going on there.
There's gas spraying everywhere.
Guess we'll let her warm up and see what happens. The Holy Grail! The Holy Grail! Fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up. Day 2, what did it do? We back. It's a couple days later, and I was trying to give like a rundown, make sure everything was actually hooked up good, making sure we're not getting leaks, you know, all the crooked head, you know, making sure she's all hooked up good. So I think we're all set. Oh, it's so sick. Now I gotta detail everything else though, because it looks like trash. The babe be dirty, bro. She's the daily though. It's okay. She's looking good though. Let's go. Dude, I'm all YouTube inspired today. I watched Schmedia's new video where he's got the Evo 8 running. I'm just hyped. That's all I'm saying. So we're gonna finish off this video strong. We're gonna meet up with Neptunes because double weight, and we're gonna mic up a while ago. If you guys didn't see that video, it's gonna be here or here. I did like a turbo ASMR video where like a mic in the engine bay and the GoPro was like on the windshield so you could see everything, and it was just straight up turbo noises and it was spicy as fuck. So I think we're gonna do his car and my car, get some pictures, and have a good day. Because of that plate, like I think the coils weren't grounding fully all the time, obviously, because I had it held down by the coil pack wire. And it's idling so much better. After I regapped the plugs and now everything's all cleaned up, oh, she's loving it, bro. Oh, Subaru! What's up, dog? Back on the vlog?
She's all pretty.
Oh, it looks so good. Yo, you gotta witness this, dog. Oh, is it? The plate's gone, bro. The plate's gone.
Let's go.
Let's go. Yo, the plate's gone. Let's go.
Dude, that looks clean.
Dude, it's so clean. Now I gotta clean everything else from all the fucking blow by though. Okay, we are now in the Subi. We're gonna get some Subi clips. We're gonna get some exhaust clips, some turbo clips, and then we're gonna switch to the dub. That's the plan. So that's what you're gonna see. Let's go. Oh. Yes. Yo, welcome back, guys. We're gonna be getting some Subi clips. Uber? Yo, we in Dasubi, let's go! Let's go, there we go. Okay, trying to update you guys as much as I can. I'm kind of bad at this. We're now in the dub. We got her mic'd up. And let's go get some runs. Granted, traffic is forgiving. It's been fun. I'll see you on the flip-flop. Hopefully someday, some way. Later, bro. Sorry, your boy's got the hat hair. I just took the hat off. Alrighty, bros. Effectively, that is the end of this video. I'm gonna wrap it up here. We put a catch can in. We got some runs in. We got some spicy picks. Just keep driving, keep it real, stay posted for the next video, and your boy will catch you in the next one. Peace!